Hello and welcome to the Model Rail Scenery Expert. It's the scenery which transforms your model railway from a train set on a flat baseboard to a layout which represents a real landscape in miniature. Whatever the size and shape of your layout, you'll have some idea of the type of scene you want to create, whether it's an urban townscape, rolling hills, or wild mountain terrain. In this program, we've actually brought together two scenic modelling experts, Peter Marriott and George Dent, to provide a wealth of information and advice on how to transform your layout from a bare baseboard to the tract of landscape which you desire. There's some truly inspirational scenery on layouts like these at the Pendon Museum of Miniature Landscape, as well as those featured in past issues of Model Rail, where Dave Shakespeare's Tetley's Mills quickly established itself as a favourite with readers. Whether it's urban grime or rural countryside, scenery adds that vital extra ingredient of realism, and in this programme we'll show you how to achieve it. We've asked Peter to do the greenery, the hills, fields, countryside and water, and George to cover the hard landscaping, dealing with buildings, walls, fences and infrastructure.